Hello guys, hello lovely people. You are welcome to my channel. Here on this channel, I talk about everything about finance, personal development, personal finance, how to go into investment using the DIY method, that is do-it-yourself method. You don't need to send money to anybody to invest. And how to buy stocks, how to buy shares, how to go into different investment platforms and earn income for yourself. That's what I bring to you on this channel. You are all welcome. I'm happy to see everyone, and I wish everybody happy festive season. Now, do you know that with your voice, you can earn income? That is what I've discovered via research. And irrespective of the jurisdiction you belong to, of the country you are residing, you can earn income for yourself. Yes, you can earn income. And if you're a Nigerian, if you reside in Nigeria, either you are Igbo or Yoruba, or whichever language you belong to. You know, in Nigeria, we have a lot of languages all over. We have people from the Middle Belt, from the West, from the East, and every other place. So, irrespective of where you belong to, you can use your voice to earn income. And if you're a TikToker and you have been doing voiceover, this is what I mean. You can use your voice to earn income for yourself. Use your voice to earn income for yourself. And if you're watching me for the first time, please subscribe to my channel, comment, like, and share my videos. And all the old subscribers, you're all welcome. Everyone is welcome here. Remember to subscribe and press the notification bell for the latest uploads here, because from time to time I bring to you different ways and avenue through which you can earn income for yourself. And there is a particular website called voquaint.com. voquaint.com. voquaint.com is a website that allows you to do voiceover and make your voice count by enhancing your earning potential. Apply right now. Go to that website, voquaint.com, and earn income for yourself. If you need more clarification, please put your opinion in the comment section and we talk and interact together, and I will tell you all other things that you need to do or to know about this website. Thank you for watching, and remember to press the notification bell for the latest uploads here in this channel. Thank you. Happy festive season, and see you in the next video. Bye.